This video will show you how to make use of some local raster statistics. So this is the same map of Puerto Rico that we've been working with recently. It has the elevations of the island, and then it has several interpolation efforts trying to guess at the elevations from a set of sample points. We could ask reasonably, of these 5 layers, of the 4 guesses and the 1 truth, at each location, what was the maximum value out there? So if I click and I pull this down and see that the real value was 202, the Kriging tried 193 in that location, the Spline tried 275, nearest neighbor tried 255, IDW tried 234. We might reasonably ask, which is the largest? And at this point, 275 was the largest. At this point, looks like 86 was the largest. So we're seeing that the spline is coming in above the others. How about here? Oh, we have no data on one of them. But again, it looks like 390 for the spline is the largest. So it would be interesting to see at each location what the largest guess or reality was for each pixel. Whenever I say for each pixel, we're probably talking about local cell statistics. So we can put all of these rasters into the cell statistics tool. The IDW clip, the nearest neighbor clip, the spline clip, Kriging clip, and the original elevation clip. And we're going to have an output raster that we're going to call maximum value PP per pixel. And our statistic here that we're going to compute is not the mean, it's the maximum. At each location, look at these 5 rasters and tell me what the maximum value was. Let's try it. Well, okay, I'm not sure that that's all that interesting. We do have all our maximum values, but it might be cool to test how often is the spline value the maximum value. So for that, we could use raster calculator. And this time we can do a logical operation instead of a mathematical one. So we can say, is the spline clip? I believe equals will work. Let's see, do they? Yeah, equals works. Is the spline clip equal to that maximum value? How often did spline give me the highest guess? And we'll call this spline highest. Can't really put a question mark. And this equals tests true and false. Everywhere we get a 1 is where the spline clip was the highest value, and everywhere we get a 0, some other layer was the highest value. So that could potentially be interesting.